In this video, we're going to show you how we made this modern-looking mailbox. Based on a rough sketch that Brian made, we came up with some dimensions and created a model in SketchUp. You can find a plan on our website at diy-modern.com. To make the top, we used a plate joiner to help us glue up some scrap walnut we had from previous builds. The biscuits help in aligning the boards when gluing the edges together. The key here is to make sure your boards and base of the tool are perfectly flat to the bench. We use Titebond 3 wood glue, which sets slowly and allows for an easy glue up of the boards. With the boards glued, we used long clamps to hold the pieces together until the glue dried. Next, we cut the side and bottom pieces to length on the table saw. We used the bandsaw to cut the angled pieces. These could also be cut with a circular saw or a hand saw. We clamped the two side pieces together and used a sanding block to clean up the bandsaw cuts. Next, we cut the top piece and the back plywood piece to length. We set the saw blade to 45 degrees and cut the angles on the top piece, leaving a 1/8 inch lip on the edge. We flipped the piece over and cut the other side to match. Using the table saw, we cut a 1/4 inch dado into the insides of the side pieces. This is where the two pieces of the 1/8 inch plexiglas will slide into, forming the front of the mailbox. We ran each board through the table saw with the blade about 1/4 inch up, and then moved the fence over and cut another slot about 1/8 of an inch or a blade's width to make a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch dado. Next, we glued the sides, bottom, and back together, securing with 1 1/4 inch brads. Here, Brian is spraying one piece of the plexiglas orange. When the paint is dry, the two pieces get placed together and the painted side is sandwiched between the two pieces. This will keep the paint from being scratched off on the inside of the mailbox. We secured a piano hinge to the top of the back pieces. We test fit the front plexiglass, then disassembled it and painted everything white except the walnut top, which was sealed with polyurethane. To mount the mailbox to the wall, just remove the plexiglass and screw it directly through the back. Here's how the finished mailbox came out. Thanks for watching.